Yo, what's up? So today we are finishing a client's website for a haunted house, and then we are doing some more stuff. So, shabam, let's get into it. So this website for the haunted house is built on Shopify. It's pretty much done. Just got some like random edits that we're gonna go through to get it finalized today and sent over. I like looking at the mobile view. So we got a slideshow up top. Kind of got the history behind the schoolhouse. I think this is a little lengthy, but it's not a D2C ecom site, so it's not anything like that. So I think it'll be fine, honestly. So we have the directions here. So that's kind of what it looks like. Written out directions, what it looks like from Google Earth, what it looks like from GPS, a sample calendar of when the thing is going to go. We've got a video, and then we have a review feed that's piped in straight from Meta. Another ticket button, and then we have some FAQs down here at the bottom that pop open, which I think I need to add one thing to this. You know what? Let's just run. We're just going to run through here and do all this stuff. So they want to add this badge onto the site. So this basically shows that they were voted as the best haunted house in the community. And I'm trying to figure out a good place to put this, actually. And I'm not sure. I think I'm going to throw it right here. I think we're going to throw a section and just do an image. And this is one of the things I don't love with Shopify, even though it is kind of an out-of-box solution for this stuff, is that sometimes it gets a little weird with placements. And like, I know this image is not probably going to look good. I think I'm going to have to throw this in Canva and edit it some, because I don't think it's going to fit in well with once we do the background on here. Where's my schemes? Throw my schemes on, delete all these out, and then let's see, take all this padding out. Oh yeah, see the image, I didn't even realize the image has so much. Why is it like that? I don't think the image is actually like that. Image first, let's go small. Here we go, we might be able to, nope, guess not. Alright, so it's super blurry. So basically now I'm just messing with all the settings here to see why there's a big gap at the bottom, because I just took out all of the padding. So I don't know what this big ass gap is. That has no padding, this has no padding. Yeah, so that should be butted right up against the directions, and it's not. So I don't know why the hell that is like that. All right, we're gonna change. Let's try the other image. We'll see if this one's gonna work better. They both look really small though, which means they're probably both gonna not be good. And I don't know if this is gonna fit here well. Yeah, why the fuck is it giving me this big ass piece of nothing down here? Image, where's this image at? That's the calendar. Maybe I need to actually delete these from here. Ah, here we go, now we're cooking. But this thing is blurry as hell, and it needs to be, wonder if we can just make this really small. No, because now, oh, that's just height. Need to make this like a badge or something. Let's see, position, top, center, theme. Alright, I think what we're going to have to do is throw this into Canva and resize it. And the white one actually, no, I think that other one's going to look better. Alright, let's go over here. And where the fuck is uploads? Here we go. Create, upload, and we need this one. 180 by 180. I mean, that's crazy small, man. So if it's already really small, why is it not gonna let me upload it really small? I really want to keep it like the same size that it is. Height. I wonder if I can add like spacers in here maybe. Let's see, is there a spacer on here? I know on Square I can do this. I can add spacers on each side to make it smaller. Alright, Well, we're going to skip that because that's just not going to be able to go in for now because it's just way too small. Alright, so we're going to skip that. Now we need to add parking. So directions. So what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate. See, and like, why can I not duplicate this right here? Shopify really is just retarded as hell on a level. Because now I can duplicate it over here, but why can't I just duplicate it right there? Because now I have to go actually under, I need to open this collage. I need this to be under these images, but I can't do that. So actually I'm going to have to delete that. I have to go over here under the collage. I'm going to have to add a new section, and I'm going to have to add text again. Now I got to redo this whole thing. So we got to do scheme, and then we got to do parking. And then green, okay. Green box equals main. Delete the button. Now I gotta throw another image under this. So where's this at? Show me where I'm at over here. Rich text, parking. Alright, so then we gotta add section. Image, upload. Now we gotta upload parking. And boom, boom. Alright, let's delete all this. And see what else is annoying is I have to delete it twice. I could have just actually probably done it right here instead of being an idiot. Alright, swap this to the dark scheme. Boom, boom. See, this image is fucking, why are these so ugly? Maybe if I try to, let me try to screenshot this. It doesn't look as blurry right there. It looks super fucking blurry right here. Adapt image. Yeah, that's gonna be the same. Alright, let's try to upload this screenshot style and see what happens. Hope I don't get copyrighted for music, but if I do, fuck it. Also, I hope it isn't too loud. Why is okay, well that's good. Looks good on that. Oh, okay. Maybe my internet was just being stupid as hell. Alright, so we got parking that is added. And we need to position middle. That way on desktop this looks okay. Oh wait, alignment center, mobile alignment center. So you just fucking not going to do that, I guess. Just told you to go center for everything, but okay, whatever. Alright, so that's done. I said basically when you purchase an online ticket, you can use it during any... Alright, so we basically need to copy and paste all this. And we need to go down here and add another one of these. So let's duplicate. Oh, I actually had a one that I didn't even use yet. Let's see. Use my online tickets any night. And then when you purchase an online ticket, you can use it during any radio season night, excluding only back. Boom. All right, change this to a question mark. Chabam. That's done. You know, if you need text parking directions, here's the scare factor. All right, so now we got to download this video. Let's grab the dark circus. All right, so YouTube video downloader. And we need this video. And we need to download. Oh, I'm fucking stupid. Ugh, 360p? Yeah, that's not gonna work. We're gonna need a different one. Where is a Snaptic? Let's try this one. Yeah, 360p, bro. That's not gonna work. Please at least be 720. Oh, here we go, 1080. And I'm getting a fucking thing now. Probably just got a virus. That's why I fucking hate these websites. Let's see what this looks like. Good enough. Whatever that is, whatever quality that is, that looks good enough. Alright, so now where we're going to throw this in. We already have the video down here. Ooh, we could put this under real scare reviews. Yeah, let's throw this right here. So now, where are we at? Something else I hate is I can never tell like what section I'm at. So calendar, video. So this is going to be, that's going to be the reviews right there. So then right here, add section. And we need a video right here. And we need this to be scheme 4. What's this guy's name? The scare factor review. Alright. The scare factor review. And then, oh no way, bro. I didn't even have to fucking... I'm so used to having to download stuff. I didn't even have to download this. Dark Circus. Alright, boom. Cover image. I'm going to just let it auto-populate. The scare factor review. Alright. Let's do that. Let's go ahead and save all this. Now, is that going to, like, be good? Let's see right quick. Let's go live. Let's get out of here. And let's preview. I'm going to go into mobile just because I like looking at stuff in mobile. This parking looks good. That looks good. Okay. So I need to actually just copy his thumbnail. I thought it was going to auto-populate. I guess Shopify doesn't have AI for some reason yet. Alright, so video, select or embed, cover image. Alright, so I need to go get his. Damn, son. Alright, I wonder if I can just find this. Videos, it was 7 months ago. This guy does quite a bit of content. 6 months ago. Why is this not in fucking order, dude? What the hell? Latest. Which should mean that this is going to go in order. And it just went from 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. What the fuck? So YouTube's just fully retarded. Back to 3 months. Jesus Christ, this retarded shit. The scare... What's this guy called? The Scare Factor Dark Circus. Probably should have just done that. Can you not show the preview, dog? Because I need this right here. And let's get that. Chaboom. Select that. Add file. Screenshot. Nope, that's going to be the other screenshot. We need that screenshot. And there we go. Throw that on. Perfecto. Alright, so that should be good now. Save that. And what else do we need to do? Scare factor. Alright, I think that's literally it. So we get the FAQ. Okay. Need to change the sample calendar, which he's not provided yet, which I actually need to ask him for because he probably doesn't know to send me that. Now what we need to do is create a product. Add a product. What was this shit called again? Haunted? No, it used to be Haunted Pembroke. Now it's the Terrifying Schoolhouse or some shit. Sinister Schoolhouse. That's it, ain't it? Sinister Schoolhouse. Okay. So we need to go product, add product, Sinister Schoolhouse ticket. All I know is violence. Let's see if we got a haunted house ticket. Let's see if we can get a cool image on here. Inside. This is actually pretty cool. Oh, that's pro. Which I'm not on my pro. You know what? Let me just swap real quick. Let's do a little swappy poo. And let's get this over here. Now let's go to Canva. Actually, I'm making this fucking complicated. Let's just do this the easy way. We're just gonna go pull the logo. There we go. Save image. Save that. And when we go here, media, upload new, download, logo. Alright, now let's get ChatGPT. Create a product description for a haunted house ticket. The haunted house is named Sinister Schoolhouse. The ticket is good for one admission any night except. Alright, let's go see what this night was called that he said. Excluding blackout weekends. Any night except blackout weekend. Create a product. Alright, here we go. Sinister Schoolhouse general admission ticket. One night, any night, excludes blackout weekend. I mean, come on, bro. AI is so sick. How could you not be fucking with this? I mean, it's insane. Warning instructions, intense immersive design for those years not recommended for young children or the faint. I think I'm gonna take that out. But I mean, all this right here, freaking chef's kiss, baby. One night, one entry, any night. Step into this all Sinister Schoolhouse where the bell never rings and screen never stops. Once placed on down, memories you won't forget. I fucking hate that. It uses them little dashes all the time. So any operating night. No reservation required to show up. Alright. We're cooking. I don't know how much these tickets are, so I'm just going to do $1 for now. And then, alright. So now, let's see what that looks like. Now, we need to track quantity. Quantity doesn't matter because I don't think we ever sell out. This is not a physical product. All ages, general admission. Alright, so now let's save this again. Should be able to buy now. Okay. Alright, that looks good. Can I not do the scheme on this page? Theme template. Let's go see the theme template because it's too bright. Header, product. We're doing something. Scheme. Boom, we're cooking now, baby. Alright, so let's get out of there. Let's go home. Nope, just kidding. Let's go to store. Need to customize. Alright, need to customize the header. Menu color. I need everything to be on the black. Edit your logo. Already got that. Main menu. Alright, so I need to edit the menu. Let's get rid of some of this extra shit that I don't need. Menu, home, get tickets. That needs to go to product. And that needs to go to Sinister Schoolhouse. Save. Alright, that's good. And then now, get out of header. And we need to get all the buttons We need that to go to products, Sinister Schoolhouse. Okay, that's good. Why did it change the fucking... Okay, I don't know why it changed the look of that, but we're going to deal with it for now. Why is this not fucking centered? Well, am I going crazy? Am I actually going crazy? I don't understand what's happening right here. Okay, what the fuck ever, man. This is fucking stupid. Alright, where's more buttons at? Scare review, get tickets. That needs to go to products. Sinister Schoolhouse. See, why does it do that? I put a URL in and you just make the fucking button not what I had it? I mean, what the fuck is going on, man? Alright, let's save that. Now, let's get out of here. And let's see. Let's look at this baby. Get tickets, make sure that works. Add to cart. View cart. Alright. Let's go ahead and do a, we're going to do a test order here. So we need to do a discount. Create discount, amount off. Call this test, percentage, 100%. No minimum. Alright, save that. Specific collections must be added. Okay, well then I'll fucking put one in here, you asshole. Can I do it on the whole fucking thing? On everything? I just want to do the whole website, the whole store, all the stuff. I mean, come on, dude. There's one fucking product on here. Alright, test is done. So now, let's go, because the thing is, they need to be able to show a receipt or something like that. So I need to see what the post-purchase flow looks like for this bad boy. So we need to go to, let's go home, store. Actually, yeah, we'll just go right here. Cart, got that. Let's check out. Discount code test. I'm gonna have to go off screen for a second to check out, and then we will see what is going to happen. All right, billing address, boom, boom. You know what? We don't need address. Is there a way to actually take that off? Where's my checkout? It's under settings, I think. Settings, checkout, here we go. Phone number, customer contact, show a link for customers, check the order shop, require customers. All right, no. Full name, only require. We need first and last name. Address, we don't need address. Don't need that. Let's do that and that. Turn both of those on. Address collection, checkout. Alright, boom. Alright, so let's go restart the checkout and do this again. So let's view store. Let's go to checkout. Let's check out. Okay. Okay, I think it's gonna make me do a billing address, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And let's throw that in there. And let's complete our order. Thank you. You'll receive a confirmation email with your order number shortly. Email me news and offers. Alright, I'm now subscribed to news and offers. Alright, I'm just gonna go check my email. Make sure that we got something. Thank you. Alright, so we need to edit. Let's see. Let's go settings, checkout. Where do we edit the thank you page? That's something that I usually don't do. Checkout rules. Okay, it's not here. General plan, billing, users, payments, customer account, shipping, and delivery. Let's see what this does. No, okay. I'm stupid for even thinking that. Alright. Time to ask AI. In Shopify, where do I edit the thank you page after a purchase is made? Shopify thank you page, all the color status appears the customer completes the purchase. Shopify does not fully show without Shopify Plus. Add scripts via, okay, I'm not doing that. After sell, thank you page customizer. Alright, let's see if that's free, and we'll go get that. Apps, App Store, and thank you page. Candy, I just need a customizer. Smart, upsell, cross-sell, Pagefy, thank you page customizer. Thank you page email, thank you, let's see, smart, free trial, free plan. Okay, email. Okay, let's see here. Let's go back to this with the same. Shopify Plus, online, edit theme code. Okay, can you just not easily edit this? I mean, that's kind of insane as hell. One view order. Okay, confirmed. You'll see an email when your order's ready. Alright, so I do get this. So the good thing is we do get an email, but it says my store. So I need to change that from how do I change the post-purchase email from the generic my company name. Yeah, right now it just says my store order 1001 confirm. Alright, so Shopify admin, bottom left, that's where I'm at already. I got the fucking hiccups. Store details. That be my store admin? Details, here we go. Alright, so let's do the logo for that. Let's do haunted. No, I'm stupid. Sinister. Schoolhouse. Okay, connect, view all stores, preferred language. Alright, I don't know if that's going to actually work, but we'll see. See if that's even what it told me. Under basic, with your actual company name, click save, same as use. Settings, notification, e.g. order. Ooh, okay, that's actually what I need anyway. Notification. Customer notifications, okay. Order, okay. We're getting somewhere. View order, aviator. Alright, oh yeah, I'm not finna do that. I'm not editing no code, so we're not gonna be able to do that. Also, I think Schoolhouse is actually not like that. We need to make this like this. Sinister Schoolhouse tickets. Alright, let's bold all that. After purchase, you will receive an email with duplicates. Alright. Save that. And let's go home and let's do this whole thing again and get rid of some of this stuff. Alright, so what unsaved changes? I mean, oh, I thought I saved at the very top. Alright, so let's go home, view store. Let's go get tickets. Add to cart. View cart. Checkout. Enter. Alright, let's do this again over here. Kevin Pierce 93. Boom. Discount code test. Boom. Alright, got that. And complete order. Alright, now let's see what that email says, because hopefully that one is going to be from Sinister Schoolhouse. Nope, still says my store. Why does it still say my store? My store, thank you for your purchase. That is not what it needs to say. Alright, where is online store? Alright, let's go back to settings, general. Oh. Probably because this is not what it says. Alright. Store phone. There is no fucking phone. Okay, so you're just not gonna let me. So it's saved already like this, but I can't change it unless I put a phone number in. That's fun. Alright, we're putting a fake number until we get the real number to put in there. Alright, so now it should say Sinister Schoolhouse. Now we're cooking. Now we got it. Alright, so now let's do this baby one more time. So let's go to our store. And if you're wondering, this is a whole lot of what, I mean, everything is. Digital marketing, ads, websites, the whole shebang. I mean, it's a lot of back and forth and testing and making sure shit works and changing stuff until you figure out what the thing is you needed to change, and then you finally get it working and it's finally good to go. So let's make our third order for a ticket here. And boom. And complete order. And now we should get one from Sinister. Boom, baby. Sinister Schoolhouse ticket, one item. There we go. Thank you for your purchase. View your order. Schoolhouse ticket. It's got the quantity. Perfecto. All right. So that is good. Now I think the last thing we need to do is we need to change the URL. Where do I do that? I forget where to do that. Where to change Shopify URL. That's also something I usually don't do. Yeah, I know about that. Custom domain. Settings, domains, buy new, connect existing. Okay. So settings. And check out domains. Here we go. So we got that. We need to buy a new domain. SinisterSchoolhouse.com. Alright, so now let's send this to homie, see if he wants that domain or if he wants a different domain. I'm stupid. Domain. let's send this site to him so he can check it out again. So let's go view online store, and let's copy and paste that. Alright, I'm gonna tell him I couldn't get Penny Raw Best on, was too small and blurry. Alright, boom. So that is done. So let's get the to-do list right here. Let's go ahead and just X out all this stuff over here. Alright, boom. So, website done. Now, what else we gotta do today? Oh, I need to call the bank today. It's already 4 o'clock. Alright, this might be a little shorter video. Well, we're 35 minutes already. You know what? Let's actually cut this right here at just website stuff. And then we'll make another one for the more ad stuff. So, appreciate y'all for chilling, hanging out with me for 30 minutes, finishing up a website. Hope it was fun. And, yeah, if you need some help with your ads, you need help with a website, email, CMO work, whatever you need help with, hit your boy up. I do done for you services as well as done with you services, as well as DIY services. So you can either do it yourself, do it with me, or I'll do it for you if you need help with any of this stuff. So there's the sales pitch. Later.